Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Dexter, and today we'll talk about online predators. These are people who use the internet to take advantage of others, especially young users. It's important to know the warning sign to protect yourself.
Have you ever chatted with someone online who seemed to be too friendly or asked uncomfortable questions? You might be talking to an online predator. These people pretend to be your friend to gain your trust, and they ask for private photos, money, or personal information.
Online predators often use fake profiles and stolen photos.
They might pretend to be your age, offer gifts, or try to make you feel special.
But their goal is to control you, so don't fall for it. So always be careful and check if it's a real profile.
Number 1. Never share personal info like your address or school. Number 2. Don't accept friend requests from people you don't know. Number 3. Avoid sharing private pictures. Number 4. Keep your accounts private. Number 5. Report or block anyone who makes you uncomfortable. And most importantly, talk to a trusted adult if something feels wrong.
Internet can be fun, but it's also a place that we must stay alert. Not everyone has good intention, so always protect your privacy. Remember, staying safe online always starts with you.